How to close all tabs on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to close all tabs on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click this one here, and now click these 3 points and click this one, close all tabs, and then click here, close all tabs again. And as you see, and if you want to get back the tabs, just click into here and just try again to remove all those tabs. Just click these 3 points and then click this one, close all tabs, and click this one. It's easy, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.